Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the heart of remote team management with our full 2025 guide on how to use UPBASE. Let's kick things off with step 1, setting up your team on UPBASE. This is as simple as clicking the plus add team button on the dashboard and entering your team's details. The reason we do this is to ensure each member of your team has access to all the projects and tasks they need to accomplish their work effectively. Now that we've done that, it's time to move on to step 2, creating projects. To do this, go to the Projects tab and click plus New Project. Here, you can assign team members and set due dates. This helps us because it allows us to delegate tasks efficiently, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Next up, step 3, setting up tasks. This can be done from the project page by clicking plus New Task. Here you can define the task, assign it to a team member, and set a deadline. Let me explain why this matters. By breaking down projects into individual tasks, we can manage workloads more effectively and track progress in real time. The fourth step is to use the chat feature. This tool is crucial for maintaining clear communication within your team. To start a conversation, simply click on the chat icon and type your message. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Your messages are instantly delivered to your team, fostering a collaborative environment no matter where you're all located. Finally, step 5, maintaining oversight with the Reports tab. This feature provides you with a comprehensive overview of your team's progress. Simply click on Reports and you'll see a breakdown of completed tasks, ongoing projects, and team performance. This is essential to understand the workflow and to identify any potential bottlenecks. And there we have it. That's how you use UPBASE for remote team management. Remember, the key to successful remote management is clear communication, effective task delegation, and regular progress tracking. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.